In this video, we'll be covering how to order service items in ROES. To get started, open ROES. Navigate to your catalogs and go to the full service catalog. Select service item within the full service catalog, not full service orders and remakes. The full service orders and remakes form can be used to request a correction to a recent service item order or to tag on an order to a recent order. For example, something like an ID card for a subject who did retakes and missed the initial service item order of ID cards. In this example, you'll need to clearly note the prior order number and fill out the service item form selecting service item retake at the bottom of page 2 of the regular service item form. If this is the first time you're placing this service order, make sure you've correctly selected a service item. Instructions for how to order are on the product thumbnail if you ever need to reference them within ROES. To continue, add the thumbnail to your order. Click Shopping Cart to attach your files. Under Options, you'll select checkboxes next to Attach Items, then browse for your files. Your files all need to be in one zipped folder. This includes your images and data spreadsheet. When building your spreadsheet, you must provide at minimum columns with subjects' first and last names and corresponding full file name extension. Exclude special characters from your data and file names. Any typos in your data will cause a file mismatch error and could delay your order in the lab. For PC users, we recommend Copy File Names, a Windows File Explorer extension to easily copy and paste a list of file names into your spreadsheet. Subjects will be ordered in sequence they are listed in your data spreadsheet unless an additional column is added that notes the desired sequence corresponding to the image or subject name. Label all staff as such with matching homeroom/class information to ensure they are grouped together with their class or removed from the final product per your selection on the service item form. Any variations, such as Mrs. Smith or Miss Smith, will not properly sort together, or first grade versus first grade with a numerical value. Please verify that your data spreadsheet contains consistent information and is correct before you continue. Once verified, combine data and images into one zipped folder and attach them in ROES. Enter a team event name and copy it down for later. You can either copy it on your computer or write it on a piece of paper. If you do not complete the form first prior to sending the order via ROES, your order may be delayed. It is considered best practice to complete the form at this point of the ordering process, regardless if the order you are submitting is new or a remake or reorder. Fill out the service item order form prior to completing and sending the ROES order, but if for any reason you forget, you can access it via our website. To navigate to the form via our website, go to Resources and then Forms. The service item order form is near the bottom of this page. For the actual form, first fill out your studio information. Under Event/project name, paste or type the same team event name you used in ROES, the same one that you either copy that you can now paste, or if you wrote it down on a piece of paper, now is the time to go get it. For data and images, select Full Service Catalog, New Order for new service orders. For a true remake or reorder, select Use Old ROES Order, and be prepared to provide the original order number. It's the one that starts with the R. Continue answering the questions and hit Next. This page is where you select the final product you are needing. At least one service item here must be ordered and selected. Depending on the service item that you're looking for, your data spreadsheet will need to have enough information present. If you're looking for an admin or yearbook export, you can do additional exports as needed. If you aren't sure what export format you need, it's best for you to check in with a school. For more information on admin or yearbook formats, check out our help article here. For proof envelope ordering, you ideally will want to have completed a prior installation of your design via the design page on our website. If you just need a service item remake, scroll to the very bottom of this page to select it. You'll continue filling out the form and get to the turnaround page. Standard turnaround time is 5 to 7 business days, otherwise a rush fee applies, which is about 10% of order total at a $10 minimum, per day of the order being rushed. Once you send the data and images via ROES, you'll get an order confirmation email. Once you send the service item form, you'll receive a separate confirmation email. The full service department will email any proofs that are required to you. If you need any help placing a service item order or have any questions about a service item order that you've placed, please reach out to our customer service department. You can either give us a call at 1-800-262-0515 at extension 105 or email us at info@richmondprolab.com. If we didn't cover a service item that you need help with, please reach out to us. For more information on service items, please read our help article.